What's up, guys? This is a exclusive disposable camera from All Nippon Airways ANA in Japan. My friend Yohei got him for me probably about 17 years ago, and it's been sitting in its box. I mean, here's what it looks like. It's an actual disposable camera. You can look at the year. I'm not kidding. I used this, I think, in 2001. Yeah, totally not kidding. Got it developed, decided to. It's been sitting in storage for a long time, so dropped it off a couple days before my brother's wedding and came back to pick it up. But yeah, this is something really cool. I'm super excited. They had to, like, tear it. The guy who did the film is a huge Pokemon fan, and we hit it off. And he had to break the seal and get the film out. And I'm like, you know what? It's 17 years old. There's film on there. It's used. It's just, you know, he got to allow me to keep the disposable camera, which is absolutely fantastic. So set those aside. Got the proofs. I picked them up. Got a CD, and here's what they look like. I got a lot of black ones because I probably didn't use the flash, but these are 17-year-old photos. I am not kidding you. This is how they look. There's that. Another black one. I mean, the proofs are really cool, detailed, but another proof. Another black. Here we go. That's my TV from probably the year 2001. I am totally not kidding you. Oh man, these are like 17-year-old photos. That's my hamper. Again, these photos are really cool. It came to about 15 bucks to develop, but well worth it. Another black. We got a blue here, which is really cool. I don't know why. What do we got here now? Oh man, I can't make that out. I really can't make that out. I don't know what... Oh, that's my rabbit. That's my rabbit. Oh, dear Lord. This is like my rabbit from, like... Oh, my bunny. That's a rabbit right there if you can't see it. I took this photo probably in, like, 2002. Surprised these things have aged. Dude! That's my friend Kay. That was, like, my first female friend. She was Japanese and everything. We hit it off. Whoa! And I got the other half here. That is incredible. Like, we were friends for probably 2 years, or no, 4 years. And then she graduated, and then, yeah, I don't want to be your friend anymore. And I'm like, okay. I'm surprised they developed that. Oh, man. Another black. Oh, man, this film is really, really old. Another black. What is that? What is... I don't know what that is. What did I develop here? What did I develop here? It looks like a top of a ceiling. But this is how they came out. Japanese friend! I think that's Chinatsu. She's still on my Facebook. I don't know why it's coming out like that. This film is like, I kid you not. That's Naoyuki Oda. Oh, wow. It's like going through the high school yearbook, but only Pokemon film that's been sitting for 17 years. It's Ai-chan! Oh my gosh, it's Ai-chan! It's Ai-chan! I can't say anything to her on Facebook because I got 10 more days of being banned. But, oh, wow. That's Ai-chan. I can't believe it. Oh, man. I miss my Japanese friends. I took these pictures. Okay, this is a locker, and I think that's Chinatsu again. I cannot believe the film does not age like this. That is super amazing. If you see real briefly, that is Chinatsu. And that's Yohei. That is my next-door neighbor. I lived next door to him from 98 to 2003. The last time I talked to this dude was probably 2005 in college on AOL Instant Messenger, and that's it. I've been trying to track this dude down for like the past 20 years. These photos are from like the year 2000. Once again, another locker. This is high school. Wow. It looks like Mimiku. No, not Mimiku. Who is that? I can't make it out. Is that Juniko? No, I can't tell. Another black. Dude, it's Lucas! I gotta send this to him in text. This is hilarious. He just got engaged this weekend. It's amazing. I can't believe I got a Lucas shot. That is awesome. Oh, man. That's my bunny! Guys, this is Checkers. I had her in school. You can even see the food I fed her. I had to get rid of her in 2004. You guys know the story. But that's my bunny. And then another black. I can't believe this. This is absolutely insane. And then they backed them all up on a photo for me. Walgreens, you're the best. It's all on a CD. This is so cool. And I still... the guy let me keep this. Oh, man. Best $15 I ever spent on an ancient relic. I am well pleased with the photos that came out. I mean, we got a lot of black, but that's probably because I didn't use a flash. And that's okay. The design is super awesome. You cannot find these anywhere else. Alright, guys, I just wanted to unbox my photos. I'm going to pop this on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Wow.